Hey everyone, welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, the channel where we expose online scams and help you shop smarter. Today, we're breaking down the hype behind the Waterblitz Pressure Washer. Is it the ultimate cleaning tool or just another overhyped gadget? Let's get into it. The Waterblitz Pressure Washer is popping up everywhere on social media. It promises high-power cleaning using just your garden hose. No electricity, no big machines. Just attach it and blast away dirt, grime, moss, you name it. But is it really that simple? Or is it just clever marketing? We ordered the product to test it out ourselves, and here's what we notice. Easy to attach to a hose, lightweight and portable, but the pressure? Honestly, it was underwhelming. Despite the word pressure washer, it doesn't compare to a real power washer. It's more like a slightly powerful hose sprayer. It might help with rinsing off dust or light dirt, but don't expect it to clean concrete, oil stains, or grime like in the ads. We also looked into customer feedback across forums and review sites. Here's what we found. Some customers never received their order. Others said it was cheaply made and broke after a few uses. And almost everyone agreed it's not a pressure washer, just a sprayer with a fancy name. Plus, the return process? Frustrating, and in many cases, non-existent. That's a major red flag. So, is the Waterblitz Pressure Washer worth your money? If you're expecting power washer performance, the answer is no. It's not a scam in the traditional sense, but it's definitely overhyped and overpriced for what it actually does. Have you bought the Waterblitz? Drop your experience in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more brutally honest reviews right here on Online Scam Advisor. Stay sharp, shop smart. Thank you.